Are you considering microdermabrasion? This popular skincare technique can do wonders for your complexion, but it's essential to go in well informed. And in this video, we are going to discuss 10 crucial things to know before you decide to try microdermabrasion, whether you are considering a professional treatment at a clinic or a do-it-yourself approach at home. Number one is understand the process. So microdermabrasion involves a device that uses tiny crystals or a diamond-tipped wand to exfoliate the skin's surface. And this process removes dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth. Number two is to know your skin type. Although microdermabrasion is generally safe for all skin types, those with very sensitive skin, active acne, or rosacea should consult a dermatologist first to avoid irritation and damage. Number three is professional versus at home. So professional treatments are more powerful and can provide more immediate results, but at-home kits are less intense and may require consistent use over time to see similar benefits. Number four is pre-treatment care. So you want to avoid using exfoliating creams and treatments such as retinoids for about a week before a microdermabrasion session to prevent excessive skin irritation. Number five is post-treatment care. So your skin will be more sensitive after treatment. So make sure to moisturize well and avoid direct sun exposure, and always apply a broad spectrum sunscreen to protect the newly exposed skin cells. Number six is the frequency of treatments. So a professional microdermabrasion can be done every 2 to 4 weeks, while at-home treatments can be done more frequently depending on the product's intensity and your skin's tolerance. Number seven are the potential side effects. So common side effects include mild tenderness, swelling, and redness. And these typically subside within a few hours post-treatment, but using gentle skincare products can help to alleviate this discomfort. Number eight is it's not a one-time solution. While you may see improvements after a single session, lasting and more significant results often require multiple treatments and are best maintained with regular follow-ups. Number nine is cost considerations. So professional treatments can be costly, especially when multiple sessions are needed. So weigh the benefits against your budget and consider an at-home kit as a more economical alternative. And finally, number 10 is the long-term benefits. So with regular treatments, microdermabrasion can lead to visibly brighter skin, reduced appearance of scars, finer lines, and fewer breakouts, enhancing both the look and health of your skin. Microdermabrasion is a fantastic option for those looking to improve their skin's appearance and health dramatically. And by understanding what the procedure entails and preparing appropriately, you can ensure a safe, satisfying experience that brings out your skin's natural beauty. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like this video, you're going to like the videos at the top, so make sure to check them out. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.